Use the swing trading strategy to pass the FTMO challenge. Alright, so in this video, I will present you a swing trading strategy that will help you pass the FTMO challenge and get funded. But before I get into it, please let me know down below, do you prefer trading on a prop firm account or you trade on your own personal account with your personal funds? Let me know down below. I'm very curious to see. And now let's get right into it. So as I said, this is going to be a swing trading strategy because recently I focused only on day trading and also scalping strategies. But I know that some of you don't really have the time to spend hours on the charts every single day. Therefore, I decided to bring this strategy to you, a swing trading strategy that's going to take place on the 4-hour time frame. So let's get right into it. First things first, I advise you to use this strategy on trendy pairs like OJPY is a good example, EuroJPY, GBP/USD, AUD/USD also works. Avoid, I would say, CHF pairs. EUR/GBP is also a pair to avoid. And yeah, just go ahead, backtest it after you watch this video and you'll get the hang of it, okay? So what do we need for this strategy? We only need two indicators. We go here, we click indicators and we click EMA and we select the moving average exponential and we make sure we put the length at 200, then we click OK. That's the only thing we need to do. And second indicator is the stochastic RSI. So we go ahead, click stochastic, and it should pop up here. Stochastic RSI, you click on it, and this one, we're just gonna leave it default. All right, so we are going to look for sells when price will move below the 200 EMA, and for buys when price will be above. Now, I will use the recent price action to show you some live examples, okay? I won't go back in time to cherry pick some super sniper entries. I'm just going to use the recent price action to be super clear, okay? And transparent as well. So here, for example, we are above the 200 EMA, and I will use the bar replay to see if there was some entry opportunities right here. What we need to do when price is above the 200 EMA, we need to look for hidden divergences on the stochastic RSI. If we are above, hidden bullish divergence, and if we are below, hidden bearish divergence. Okay, so in this case, we would look for hidden bullish divergence. So we can see that we have a very clear divergence here. Price created a higher low, but on the stochastic RSI, price created a lower low. All right, so right here, the next thing we need to wait for is a crossover on the stochastic, and that's our entry signal. Okay, so we almost have the crossover. We have it right here, so we would have entered right on the candle close. Again, this happens on the 4 hours, so there's plenty time to get in. Stop loss right below the most recent low, and as take profit, I will use the fib from the most recent high to the most recent low, and the take profit is going to be the 88 level on the fib, right? So I will just pause the video a bit and make sure to copy these exact levels for the fib. Of course, you only need the 88 level for this strategy. Then you click OK. And also for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. This is going to be a negative risk to reward trade, but it is valid. Okay, so let's take it, and take profit was smashed. All right, let's see if we can get some other examples as well, some sell examples. And we do have some sell examples right here. We have some stop losses as well, which is totally fine. You will get stop losses with this strategy as well, but you will see that overall, if you use this strategy correctly, you'll be able to achieve some consistent results. Okay, so right here, we have a lower high, and we have a lower low here, a lower high, but Right now, we don't have a RSI, a stochastic RSI divergence. We don't have a divergence yet. Neither do we have now because this lower high is lower than this lower high here. So we just continue and let's see if we get a divergence, and we do. Check this out. I will draw on the chart from this lower high to this one. We are actually lower, but on the stochastic RSI, we are higher. Okay, so this is a valid divergence. We also have a crossover on the RSI stochastic, so we enter right at this candle closure. Stop loss will be right above, right here, and take profit. We will use the Fibonacci from this. It's going to be the 88th level, which is right here. And I would suggest when price is 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 to move your stop loss at break even. Okay, so here this would have been a break even trade. Price went almost 3R in profit, but then it reversed, so it's totally fine. Let's see if we get another entry. Okay, so price is moving upwards. Again, we have another divergence on the stochastic. So the crossover just happened there, and we would have entered here. Stop loss would have been above. And now you could either take the fib from here or from here. I will take it from this low here, there, and take profit would be right here, 88 level, which is a 5R trade. And this would have been a stop loss. So we have one win and one loss so far, and one break even, of course. Let's continue. So we are now on break even with the trades that we've been in. And again, we have another stochastic divergence. We are below 200 EMA. So we are good to enter another sell right on the crossover, which is right here. We enter, stop loss right above the high. Remember, this is the 4 hours, so you'll have plenty of time to enter because this is a swing trading strategy. Stop loss, take profit on the 88 level, which is right here, for a nice 5R trade. Now we would have moved stop loss at break even, and as you can see, the target was smashed for a nice 5R trade. So as you can see, we had 4 or 5 trades in total. No, 4 trades. We had one loss, one win, this one right here. We had one break even trade, and we had one 5R win. Okay, which is really good because that means if you would have risked 1% per trade, you would have made 5% with this trade. Okay, so overall you would have been in a 5% profit. And this being a swing trading strategy, you could use it on multiple pairs. I would suggest anywhere between, I would say 4 and 5 pairs. That would be probably the sweet spot. But make sure you go ahead and backtest it, and you will see for yourself if this strategy is for you, if you enjoy it, and if it's suitable for your character and for your style of trading. And after that, make sure to backtest it on other pairs too to see how they work and see which one you prefer. After that, you create a watch list, go ahead, you backtest it, and then you do your own diligence. And if you feel ready, you can take it on the live, of course. But as I always say, make sure to do your own research and backtest yourself. And to be honest, this is pretty much it. Please make sure you're subscribed to not miss out on future uploads like this one. And if there's any questions regarding the strategy or off topic as well, let me know down below. I always make sure to reply. And as always, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.